Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make chicken yakhni. Though it's a kind of dish that has come through innovation, but it retains the incredible flavors of meat yakhni. Chicken yakhni is my innovation of Kashmir's favorite meat yakhni. It's easy to cook and marvelous in taste. The chicken is wrapped in tangy flavor of curd and leveled with aromatic mild spices and dried meat. So let's get started. For making this tempting dish, the ingredients used are salt according to your taste, 4 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of dried crushed mint leaves, a pinch of turmeric and 2 tablespoons of oil. And chicken, I have taken around 800 grams. You can take chicken of any cut, 1 cup of curd and 1 large thinly sliced onion. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and added cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Saute them a bit and then add sliced onion. Fry it nicely till it turns brown on medium to high flame. Once the onions are fried properly, add chicken and mix properly, and then add salt. Cover it and let it cook for around 15 minutes on low flame. The chicken will get cooked in its juices. So after 15 minutes all the water is absorbed and chicken is fried. Now I'll add fennel seed powder and turmeric powder. Mix it properly and then add curd and keep it on high flame till curd gets one boil. And then add dried mint leaves. Mix properly and add a cup of water for gravy and keep it on low flame for around 7 to 10 minutes so that the chicken absorbs the curd and mint flavor. So after 10 minutes, appetizing and fragrant chicken yakhni is ready. Dish it out and serve it hot. This chicken yakhni is mild chicken curry with tangy taste and delicately flavored. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Keep watching this space for more videos. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notifications. Have a nice day.